Hey, today we're at Summerfield Golf Course, par 33, and around 2,700 yards. I should be able to break 40 here easily. According to my handicap, I should shoot 37. But yeah, let's try to break 40 for the Break 40 series. Green fees were $19 in these winter months. It's a bit rainy and cold, but I'm out here and working on my game and vlogging this for you all. And I'm on the mission to vlog all of the Oregon public courses someday. Hole 1, par 4, 324. All right, I'm gonna take out driver here. Just wanted to practice driver all the time. That tree up front is 242. So I'll just play a little cut and good ball. Yeah, opened my foot a bit there to get more turn. That was good. All right, got 94 yards to the pin here. Looks a bit uphill, so I'll play a 100-yard shot. Got the half pitching wedge, 400 yards. A little long, little thin. All right, 12 yards. Just gonna land this on the fringe here on the downslope and roll it out. Wrong way. All right, 12 feet here. All right, a bogey. Yeah, so I got kind of lost. So the second hole is actually down this path. If you got to the street, you've gone too far, so gotta take a right here. All right, so we got 132. I'm gonna hit a 9 and aim a little left. Fadey, get over. Oh boy. Oh boy. Bunker. All right, found my ball here in the bunker. Not much sand, so really hard sand. Just get on the green here. Bite. Good shot. Oh, my ankle. All right. For the par. Good read. Good par. Let's find the next hole. Woo. Yeah, so I found the third hole after going over there to the sixth hole. Yeah, third hole's over here. All right, we got hole 3 here, par 4, 314 today. I'm just gonna hit a 5-wood and try to get this in play. Driver doesn't seem like a problem, but this is pretty narrow, so we'll just hit the 5-wood. I got my spot. Yeah, very accurate. Right down the middle, good fairway. All right, second shot here. 129 flag, that's in the front. Try not to make a mental error here because last 2 holes, at least one mental error. So 129, I know this 9-iron could go about 125. If I pick the 8, it could be 125, 135, and it could go downhill. That could work. Yeah, let's do that. Let's pick the 8 and use the slope. Wow, great decision. There you go, club up. Yeah, good ball there, about 7 feet. All right, for the birdie, Plum Bob says 1 ball to the right. I like that, let's go for it. Give it some. Give it some. Good par. Hole 4, par 4, 341. All right, gonna hit driver here, try to hit the fade again. Yeah, didn't hit that well, but still in play on the left side. Whew, that was close. All right, found my ball here on the left side. Got 132 to the flag. It's gonna hit an 8-iron. I got lucky, I got over the bunker here. For me to lower my handicap, I gotta get better at this shot right here. So I'll choose a 52, get some good rollout. Just get it down there. Pretty good. All right, for the par, 1 ball out to the right. Got to get it there. And another bogey. +2 in the round. Let's go. Hole 5, par 4, 296. All right, here we go. Hole 5, we're 2 over. Gonna hit a 5 wood. Too risky to go out of bounds with the driver there, and the bunker's only 211 to the right. All right, got my line, middle of the fairway. Good ball. Trusty 5 wood. Right in the middle. Yeah, I didn't even know there was water up here in front of the tee box. Nice hole, my favorite so far. Very nice hole, nice and wide open, nice water features. All right, we got 126 to the flag. To cover, it's 108. So I think 9-iron's great here. Ooh, a little short. Yeah, we'll go find it. Yeah, we barely made it over here. That's a bit of a scary shot right here. Woo! All right. Got a 52. Hard to take a stance here. Try to get up and down. Come on. Focus. Oh, just kidding. All right, let's try to make this par putt. See a little left to right. Good putt. Good par. Awesome hole. So yeah, I could give my initial thoughts on Summerfield so far. You know, it is through a residential community, so fairways are a bit tight and tree lined a bit. And they probably don't want you hitting driver into the houses, which makes sense. But I think the fairways are pretty good. I like the water features, and the bunkers are pretty good. Greens are pretty good. I like the greens, they're pretty big, so yeah, I like it here. $19, pretty good value. Enjoying it so far. Hole 6, par 4, 330. All right, hole 6, par 4 here, 330. It's gonna hit a 3-wood here. Bunker to the left is 230. Bunkers to the right is about 200. So driver could probably reach that to the left, so 3-wood should be a good play here. Sit. Yeah, a little fadey, but down there. Safe. Good decision. All right, great leave here. All right, now we got 131. I'm thinking 8-iron. Definitely not 9-iron. And this would leave me below the hole probably. Bunkers left and right. So I'll anticipate a fade here and just aim left side of green here. 131, 8-iron. Definitely faded. There you go. Good decision. Pin high. Woo, golf. Yeah, in golf, there's like a lot of ego involved here, and yeah, checking your ego, because normally my 8-iron goes 138, and that's a big ego check if I'm 6. So that only went 125 with an 8-iron. That's like, what's happening? But it is wet. It is cold. That was a bit uphill. And I am using not so much a premium ball today. I got a Callaway Chrome Soft with the triple track on it. So yeah, a lot of factors go into like your distance. And honestly, I just got to play with what I got for the day, you know? All right, 9 paces. 27 feet uphill, right to left. I'm just gonna try to get this really close for the par. Maybe I'll make a birdie here. Good try, good putt. Good par. But yeah, a lot of ego to check here in golf. You gotta like, don't have to hit driver all the time. Hit the 5-wood or the 3-wood, give yourself 120 in, 115, that's just fine. No need to be hitting driver into a tree, taking a penalty and all this stuff. So, fun game. Hole 7, par 3, 17, no, we're gonna go 144 red. Hole 8, par 4, 280. 5-wood again, 5-wood. $93 yards, 52. All right, last hole here, hole 9, nice water feature. We got 115 flag. I'm deciding between a 3/4 9-iron, swing with 115, or just playing it full since it's been pretty short today. Let's just play it full and play easy and should be good. Yeah, what a shot. Spun back too. Let's go. Yeah, super happy with the short game today. Used the 52 more to get it closer and putted it. Yeah, good 4, 5, 6 footers. That's what I need to get to the single digits for the handicap. So yeah, pitch way up here. And the rain's coming down again. All right, 12 feet for the birdie. Not leaving this short. Got to try to get one birdie today. Yes, yes. No birdie. Let's go, +1. Getting better. Final score 34 +1. Key statistics: no penalties off the tee. Greens and regulation 4 out of 9 for 44%. Pretty good. Target 50%. No 3 putts, which is great. 3 out of 5 on scrambling, 60%. Awesome. And 1 birdie. Hey, so some final thoughts on Summerfield Golf Course. Had a lot of fun actually. 9 holes, very walkable. Fairways are really nice. Greens are really nice. Layout's pretty challenging. Not too thin, and trees are pretty cleared out, so super fun golf. I really enjoyed it. I would definitely come back. $19 in the winter months. Good job, Summerfield.